It's time for the world-famous Stonington Lobster Trap Tree to be built, and good things come to gnomes who wait. So no matter what, I had to get my buoy decorated and dropped off. Here's how I did it. First, I wrapped my buoy with a braided nylon. Then I cut a bunch of lengths of a twisted nylon, and then I unplied it all. I glued them all to the buoy. This is a lengthy process. When the first layer was finished, I added a second layer so his beard would be wild and crazy. I added a knit hat, a monkey fist nose, and I made a big Turk's head to go all around the brim of the hat. Go big or go gnome, my project is all done. Ready to hang on the tree, gnome sweet gnome. The lobster trap tree looks pretty plain at the moment, but it will go from this to this. It will be on display from November 23rd, 2024 to January 5th, 2025. You can go inside this amazing tree. Every buoy is a work of art, so make sure you check it out in the daytime too. The tree is 35 feet tall, has 450 lobster traps, and 454 buoys. People come from all over the world to see this tree, but don't worry, there is plenty of parking. If you fell in love with my gnome and would really like to own it, or any of the buoys that you see on the tree, there is an auction at the end of the year. You can check out lobstertraptree.com for more information. So from my gnome to yours, happy holidays!